I'm going to show how to play single player game. We use the joystick. We turn right using the joystick. If the joystick is not responding, press the joystick itself and then go to right. We're going to play F1 single player. Press X once. It's going to load the game. I'm going to show some screens. You can skip it using X. X again. Now we're gonna enter the menu, and the menu has a lot of options. We are gonna select the single player. If you see some ads, you can press the circle button to go back to the menu. We're going to select the F1 world. Here you can keep pressing X. You can select your car. I'm going to go with Red Bull.
And it's Red Bull.
And then you can select your player. And then you can just press X. You need to press and hold X in this case. And that's it. Now you're gonna start the game. You can X to skip. Now we're in the main menu. We can play whichever we want. The easiest one is Grand Prix. So let's select Grand Prix. And then we're gonna just start. And now we're gonna race in Australia.